In the ever-evolving world of finance, simply earning money isn't enough. The key is to make that money work for you. Investing smartly can help you build a secure future, and one of the simplest, most effective ways to grow your wealth is through ETFs, exchange-traded funds. If the stock market seems overwhelming or too complex, don't worry. Today's video is here to simplify things for you. We are going to break down the top 5 ETFs that could potentially deliver impressive returns in 2025 and well into the future. If you are between 18 and 35 years old, this video is designed especially for you young investors looking to set a strong financial foundation. By the end, you'll have a clear roadmap to long-term investing success. So, let's dive right in. Kicking things off, let's talk about the Nifty 50 ETF. This ETF is a reflection of India's top 50 companies, representing a diverse range of industries from finance to technology. Think of it as the pulse of the Indian stock market. By investing in the Nifty 50 ETF, you gain exposure to some of the biggest and most stable companies in the country without needing to pick individual stocks. It's simple, low cost, and ideal for long-term growth. With the Indian economy on the rise, this ETF provides both stability and growth potential. Since it mirrors the Nifty 50 index, it tends to grow in tandem with the market over time. The best part? The expense ratio is minimal, which means you get to keep more of your returns. For anyone new to investing, this is a safe and smart entry point. Now, let's shift our focus globally and explore the Nasdaq 100 ETF. If you believe in the future of technology and innovation, this ETF is a must-have. The Nasdaq 100 consists of the 100 largest non-financial companies listed on the Nasdaq Stock Exchange, including giants like Apple, Amazon, Tesla, and Google. Investing in this ETF means gaining exposure to the fastest-growing tech firms worldwide. The potential for high returns is huge, given the ongoing advancements in AI, cloud computing, and electric vehicles. This ETF not only diversifies your portfolio internationally but also places you at the forefront of technological growth. For tech-savvy investors, the Nasdaq 100 ETF is the go-to option to tap into the future of innovation and global expansion. The third ETF on our list is the Clean Energy ETF. As the world gradually transitions towards renewable energy, this ETF stands to benefit immensely. It provides exposure to companies leading the charge in solar, wind, and electric vehicle industries. From energy producers to EV manufacturers, this ETF covers the entire spectrum of clean energy development. With increasing government support and global efforts to combat climate change, clean energy investments are on the rise. By investing early, you not only contribute to a greener planet but also stand to gain from the exponential growth of the renewable energy sector. This ETF isn't just about profits, it's about sustainability and forward thinking. Next up is the Healthcare Innovation ETF. Healthcare has always been a resilient and consistently growing sector. This ETF focuses on companies driving medical breakthroughs and developing cutting-edge healthcare technologies. From pharmaceutical giants to biotech startups, this ETF taps into the future of medicine. Given the increasing demand for innovative treatments, healthcare technology, and medical devices, this ETF offers a stable yet growth-oriented investment. It's recession-resistant, making it an excellent defensive play for times of economic uncertainty. Long-term investors can benefit from the steady and reliable growth of the healthcare industry. Finally, let's explore the Emerging Markets ETF. This ETF provides exposure to the fast-growing economies of Asia, South America, and Africa. As these regions continue to develop, they present massive growth opportunities. By investing in emerging markets, you diversify your portfolio across economies with high potential. While the risk may be slightly higher compared to more established markets, the rewards can be substantial. With rising middle-class populations and increasing technological adoption, these economies are set to boom. This ETF is perfect for investors looking to add global diversification and capture the growth of tomorrow's leading economies. And there you have it, the top 5 ETFs to invest in for 2025 and beyond. ETF investing is straightforward, efficient, and accessible for beginners and experienced investors alike. These ETFs offer a mix of stability, growth, and sustainability perfect for long-term wealth creation. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with friends who might benefit. Let us know in the comments which ETF you found most interesting or if you want a deeper dive into any specific one. Until next time, happy investing!